risky. I mean, we got people out there searching for us.
Well, what you want me to do? Sit here and watch you get worse? If it was me laying there, you'd do the exact same thing, wouldn't you?
Take my tongue, say anything, but in the end.
Finding Jennifer is our priority, but you flying around without your suit is just plain reckless, Jeff. You risk exposing yourself and your entire family.
The only thing I care about in this moment is finding Jennifer.
Come to you as a friend with enormous resources, who can pull you up out of that second-class status you've been branded with. All you have to do is say yes.
Searched every structure 30 miles east of the hospital.
There's nothing but mountains to the north. Now, if Khalil was hurt bad enough that Jen would steal medicine, there's no way he's hiking that terrain.
That leaves us with 15 possible locations, including...
A black lightning! And I can't find her.
Dad, come on, take a deep breath. It is because you're Black Lightning we're gonna find her. You gotta believe that.
I don't believe anything right now.
Booyah. Oh. And this one's for Khalil.
The pumping station you saw. Here's the power plant.
What about this last one?
It's not on the list.
It's gotta be her.
Hey. Hey. Hey, it's okay.
Thank you, God.
Don't cry.
I thought you were dead.
There's quite a bit of blood over here. I assume it's Khalil's.
It looks like someone was held captive here. There's drag marks on the ground.
Did you really just deposit 100 grand into my account?
If it's a problem, I can take it back. I wanted you to know I put a value on your time.
No, whatever it is, I'm in.
You deserve better than this. Look, just because my life is jacked doesn't mean that yours has to be.
I'm not hearing you right now. I'm the ride or die type. You already know that.
Yeah, and it's the dying part that I'm afraid of.
Well, I'm not.